Hi, this is Mrs. Stoutenberg, and this is a very brief tutorial for St. Simon and Jude students on the use of our Google Apps for EDU account. You can go to any Google Start page and click on Sign In and use your email address and password that was provided for you. They're all going to be at simonjudeschool.org. Click on Sign In. Please don't click off Stay Signed In when you're in the computer lab, but you can do that at home if you wish. After you log in, your screen might look like this. In which case, to get to the drive, you would click on this button right here, or you'd access mail at this button. Or if you signed in using our sign-in screen here at school, it might look like this. So if it looks like this, you just simply click here to get to your drives and docs, or here to get to your email. So either way, if your view looks like this or this, it's all good, and you can get to the same suites and services that we have. So let's access our drive by clicking Drive here. And then you'll get this screen that opens up here. Now underneath, if you click on the button Create, you'll see Google Document. It's very similar to Microsoft Word. Google Presentation, very similar to a PowerPoint presentation. And Google Spreadsheet is very similar to an Excel spreadsheet. So if you don't have Microsoft at home, you can always use any of these free software provided through Google to create anything that you would need. So I'm going to click on Google Document here, and you'll see once it opens up that it looks really similar to Microsoft Word. Basic word processing, you can do pretty much anything you need to do to type a report. So I'm just going to type in hello, and you'll see up here it's already saving it. So when you're working within Google, it's automatically saving as you type. So in Google, instead of saving your work, because it's automatically called Untitled Document, what you need to do is go on by clicking on File and then click on Rename and rename your document. For computer class, all of your documents probably are going to be your last name and then whatever the title is of the thing that we're working on. So when you're thinking of saving, think rename your document in Google Docs and Google Sites. So there, it changed up here, and the changes have been saved. So when you're finished, if you just exit it out, it would be in your Google Drive. Or if you want to share it with me, if you're finished with your assignment, you would click on Share. You'll get this pop up, and right now it's only private. So to add people, you click on this box and then start typing in the name. You'll type in my name, click, and then click on Share and Save, and then it sends it to me. Click on Done so that I can access it and grade it. So that's Google Drive. And to exit out, you could just hit on X, and then this would bring you to your Drive area, and you'll see the documents that you have saved down here. We'll get into folders and how to create folders for organization later. So I want to click on one and open it up here and show you that after you're done with the document, if I made comments, if you didn't get 100%, look right here. This one doesn't have any comments, so I'll go back. Let's try, maybe it's this one. If you didn't get 100% on your assignment, click on comments, and then usually I tell you why you didn't get a 100%. And then what you can do to change it. So click on this one. And if you click in the comment section, it's telling you what you did wrong. All right, so let's go back to our drive. I'm just toggling up here. And then if you want to delete things, if you no longer need them, you just check them off. And then here's a trash can up here to clean up your files if you're finished with them. So that's Google Documents. Now Google Presentation, very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can create a presentation. Same thing where you need to rename it. It's got themes in the background that you can choose from. I'm just going to X out of that. Then I want to show you also, if you're in your drive, I'm going to X out of here. If you're in your drive and you want to upload something from Microsoft Word, let's say, so this is kind of replacing our file locker from last year. So if you want to upload a Microsoft Word document that you already created at home, I'm going to click on Drives and Docs. And then instead of Create, you're going to click on Upload, which is this little button right here. And you're going to upload a file. And then I have one saved on my flash drive here, so I'm going to find my flash drive. And then I'm going to upload this document by clicking on Open. And then it just takes a moment, and you'll see that it's been loaded into your drive. It's got this little W right here telling you that it's a Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up here. And here's that document that I uploaded. So here's my original one, and it looks exactly the same. But with Google, you always want to make sure, because it doesn't always import perfectly. So you want to make sure when you're importing something, if you're turning something in for a teacher, that after you import it, you open it up within Google to make sure that the clip art and everything transferred over like you want it to be viewed. So that's how you import, how you create a Google document. And then our last step is I'm going to show you quickly how to mail someone within our system. Click on Mail. And this opens up your mailbox, and pretty much every student teacher has a Gmail address. Now, not all the teachers are using this Gmail address, so if you send one to your teacher, make sure that they're actually using this before you click on Send. You should automatically have 2 emails from the Gmail team. And to compose a message, you just click on Compose. And then if you just start typing in A, this lists off everyone in our system that goes to our school. And just going to send an email to myself. In computer class, you'll be probably emailing me or one of your other teachers. Always add in a subject. And then in computer class, whenever you're emailing a teacher, we always expect you to use proper email etiquette and have a greeting and a signature. Instead of just saying, hey, what did we do for class? We expect you to say, Dear Mrs. Stoutenberg or Dear Mrs. Fischetti or whoever it is, and then end with an appropriate closing before you send an email to a teacher. So type in your message down here, and when you're finished, you click on Send, and then you've sent that email. To delete messages in your inbox, you just click off here, and then add them to the trash. Now this email is limited to within our school, so you can't email people outside of St. Simon and Jude. And that's my brief tutorial for using your Google Drive suite and sending email. Look forward to teaching you more in class. See you later. Bye.